Hello and welcome to your first lesson in Unity. When you start Unity and it does open up finally, you get this particular window. It is basically divided into three sections with a scene window in the middle. The left hand side is the hierarchy panel, the bottom is your project folder, and the right hand side is the inspector panel. I will want to change the layout to the game layout, and when you click here you have these different layouts. So let's go to the game layout. Why the game layout? Well, you have the scene window in which you design your game, and your game window, which is what it looks like when you play the game. If you don't like this one, you can always switch back simply clicking here. Unity gives you a scene in the very beginning. So this is your assets folder. Everything is stored here. Packages are what took so long when it opens for the first time, because you have all of these different files and information. We'll use them later, but for now just leave it closed. This is your scenes folder here, and if you double click on it, you have a sample scene, which is this, which is empty. I went ahead and saved it as scene number 1 because as we move in your design, you save it as you go along. So you go File, Save As, in the scene folder, scene 1, save. Since I already have it there, it will ask me if I want to overwrite it. Now, up here you have the hand, which is the cursor to move things. This is the moving tool of the objects, rotation and scale. So let's add a game object. Game objects are simply shapes. So cube, there you go. But if you add another object at the same time without doing anything to the first one, like this, a sphere, they occupy the same space, because all objects start at the origin in the design. And also try to remember the way the direction of the arrows are pointing. X is in this direction is red. This is the positive direction. This is the positive direction for the z-axis, and this going straight up is the positive direction for the y-axis. Why you need to know that? Because in the inspector panel you have a hierarchy, first of all, which just lists everything that's in the game scene. But the inspector tells you the properties of the particular object, and here you have information with regards to the position, its orientation, and its size. You can manipulate them manually, and as you do that the numbers have changed, or you can do it by writing or typing in, the actual values that you want. See, it moves around. I like to use the inspector panel for rotation, because when we rotate using this tool, it's difficult to quite estimate which way it's going to go. Now a sphere can't really tell you, but let's try this one. See, you're not quite sure where the 45 degrees is or the 60, so you just type it in. Scaling is this particular tool. You have square handles. Each handle is for each axis. The middle one here is for all axes. This has the middle one. And you notice that once I pick a tool, every object that you go to have the same tool assigned to it. Now if you're paying attention while I'm doing this, things are changing in this view, because this is a game scene. This is what is happening in the game when you're playing it. So that's why this particular orientation helps. Now you definitely need a 3-button mouse, meaning a left click, right click, and a scroll wheel, which does this. If you hold down the scroll wheel, you move the entire scene. If you hold down the right button only, you sort of pan around, go around it. Okay. If you hold the shift key on your keyboard and the middle, the scroll wheel, you can move it in up and down or left and right. And if you hold down the shift key, you zoom in. Actually, in this particular version, you don't need to hold down the shift key while you're using the scroll wheel, so you can zoom in and zoom out. Now, two objects can occupy the same space. We saw that when we first created it. And the law of physics tell you that two objects cannot occupy the same space. We will add physics and then make it obey the law of physics, but for now, this is how we manipulate and get around in our scene. Okay. Hierarchy, all the stuff that you have. Inspector, the properties of each particular object. And the project, all of your assets that you have so far. And I talked about the layout right here. So we're in game layout. Okay, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed this particular lesson and hope you will enjoy working in Unity. Bye bye.